How many times have you made a presentation and someone asked the question, will these slides be sent to us afterwards? It's the inevitable question that's always asked. But you can answer this question before it's even asked by using Google Sites. Google Sites is a free tool that allows you to create professional looking websites for free. You can create a landing page for your presentation and put all the materials there. Any slides you have, any handouts, videos you might have used, and even supplementary resources so that attendees can learn more. You can then distribute this site to participants in advance of the workshop if you know who they are, or you can share it with them at the start. The site can also be constantly updated so you can add additional material as needed. If you give the same presentation over and over, this is a great place to sort of store all the materials so that you're always ready to go and you can always share the link with learners. Sites are also great because you can use them for landing pages for events. You can put the registration, you can put maps to the location, you can add agendas, whatever it is you might need, you can create a landing page for. Google Sites can also be locked down so that only certain people can access it. So give Google Sites a try and let us know how it works out.